Hey guys, I'm going to be showing you how you can get Twitter followers, 100 followers per day. So this is my mobile phone. So you all have an installed Twitter app. So I'm going to click it. I'm going to open the Twitter app. I navigate through. So if you want to gain it, you come and like everyone. You get a certain post which has a lot of traffic. You start liking their comments. You like all, you like all, you like so as you can see. Then after, I'm going to go and check my followers, the ones I've gained after liking. You have to like all of them like this, but you make sure that your Twitter account is not banned. It's all suspended from Twitter. Twitter normally bans account if they suspect that you're a robot. So you must make sure you're doing this. You do it carefully without violating the rules of Twitter in the policy. Okay, now, so we're going to be checking our Twitter followers. So I'll come here. Have you seen? Like, a lot of people have followed me. In just that minute, I've gained like 20. But you keep on doing this for the rest of the day, you have gained 100 followers. So please guys, if you like this video, like, comment your thoughts and subscribe. See you in the next one.